Which of these two is an economist? If you think it's John, put up your hand. If you think it's Alice, put up your hand. Which of these two is an economist? How many say it's John? How many say it's Alice? Yeah. Now you see your brain is thinking, now he's going to judge us. Actually, none of them is. Who of those two is clergy, i.e. someone that is in the things of the faith? Okay, let's start with the terrorist. How many say that guy is the terrorist, that guy in the suit? How many say this guy is the terrorist? Guess what? We had more people choosing this guy to be the what? The leading terrorist groups, the Al-Qaeda, they come from a place called where? Afghanistan. And in Afghanistan, the men put on the what? And they grow their what? So every man who puts on a turban and grows their beard is a what? Like every man who puts on a suit and stands and has a book open before them is a pastor or part of the clergy. That is representative what? Heuristic. You can quickly misjudge. And that is why organizations like the FBI, the CIA, they know how people think and they can easily do intelligence. I'm going to start the conversation and then she's going to pick it up as you follow, all right? It's been quite an experience and thinking of what is going on, I'm highly motivated. Pick 1 or 2, 3 words, but it has to connect to what I'm saying. There was something distinct about the questions that were being asked because the logic and the statistically driven matters were
quite clear and illuminated my mind and revealed so much that I didn't see before.